Do you want an outro like this for your YouTube channel? There are thousands of outros you could choose from, and today's video I'm going to teach you guys how to do that. So what you have to do firstly is you're going to have to go to Canva, go on this search button, you're going to have to search up YouTube outro. Once you search up YouTube outro, so you have many options you could choose from. As you guys can see, you could also scroll down, you have thousands of other options. So I'm gonna just go with this one right here. So me personally, I like this one right here. So I'm gonna just click on it. Then I'm gonna click on customize this template. Then it should take you to this page right here. Now from here, if you have a logo, for example, of another guy, just click on it, click on delete, and you could add your own logo. So what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to click on this option right here, or it said uploads, which is under brand. Then once you click on it, you're gonna have to click on upload files. Now from here, you're gonna have to select the picture you want. So for example, this is my logo right here. I just selected it. Now you're gonna have to drag it into the little circle right here. And as you guys can see, now you do have an outro for your YouTube channel. If I click on it, this is the outro. You can also customize whatever you want. So for example, this background picture right here, I don't like it. So I'm gonna just click on position, go on layers. You could change the color, delete whatever you want. So this background picture, for example, let's say I want it to be red right here, or white, it doesn't matter. You could customize it to whatever you like. You could also go back to positions, click on layers, click on the logo, click on edit. You could select any filters you want. For example, this one, it changed the color completely. You could also go back on filters, click on duotone. You could scroll down and click on different pictures, for example, different color right here. So that's basically how you get an outro on Canva. If this video helped you, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.